Importing data in paperbucket is really easy. You first select the file, you get into the import menu, and then you select the file to import. I have some test leads here. We can take them. The first thing you need to decide is whenever the leads are comma separated or semicolon separated, since it's only CSV files you can import. I leave it with the comma separated and I click OK. Now I can look at my file here. I have the headers here, and you can see the file here, and you can see examples of the data that my file consists of. As you can see, all of them are red. This means that they will not be imported. You can select to just import some columns or every column that you want. When a column is imported, it will turn to black. Let's take a column here. I select name here, and I will select name because I want to import my name column in the database in the column called name2. Now I can do this for all the columns here, but if I have a column header that corresponds with a name already in the database, I can simply click Auto Map Columns. And now they are all mapped. So I will import all of them now here. If I want a new column name, I simply click and I create a new column name here. The column name can be either a customer card or response code. Now what's the difference here? Well, a customer card, it is something that you leave on a customer. It is something personal to the customer. It could be, for example, an address or some kind of customer code. It could be a second address or a second telephone number, a third telephone number or whatever, but something that always is with the customer. A response code, it is something that only happens for a specific customer in a place of time. For example, if a customer buys a new t-shirt and has a column called new t-shirts, then you would create a new code here, a new column here called new t-shirt, and you could reuse this column for the customer. So you could have, a lot of different t-shirts to the same customer. For now, I just leave this, and I click OK Matched. The next part is that you select this division. We're not looking into this now. You will have a default division. As you can see, I have a lot of division. I just leave this one here and I move down here. I select the bucket to upload. Now what's a bucket? A bucket is actually just a way to organize your data. For example, maybe you have a bucket for each of your customers. You can have a bucket for each of your affiliates or whatever. You can create as many buckets as you want. And when you have a bucket, it's really easy to say, okay, all the affiliate leads I have, I just add a bucket for this. And then I will import them here. You can create new buckets on the fly here, but for now, I just use my bucket. As you can see, I have a lot of buckets here. Import permissions, we leave this for now for another tutorial. The last part we need here, it is actually just to select action. You can import them right away, and we will do this in a moment. You can also check for new duplicates. You can update leads in your database from the list. Now this is really smart. All you need to do actually, it is if you, for example, have the leads in your database and you have a list to update to, all you need to do is that you match the leads from your database with one of your columns, for example, phone 1, and then you can actually update all the data that you have here in your database where the phone 1 in your import column equals to phone 1 in your database. It's that simple. But for now, we just click import new lists and without any duplicate check, and click upload. You get a notification here that now the file is uploaded to the server, and when it's imported to the database, we will get notified. The notifications, they will be added here. For now, we just click the import list to check if our file is imported now. As you can see, our new file 2leads.csv is imported to test bucket, and you can see that it's actually imported because it's true. This is how you import new leads to a paper bucket. In the next tutorial, we will take a look at how the export page will look like.